Hi, my name is Carolina, and I'm here to present my final project for CS50 Python HarvardX. This is a simple application that will allow the user to have the historical performance of the stocks plotted on a chart for comparison. So first, we start by importing the libraries we are going to use. I'm going to use yfinance, which is a library that will scrape the data from Yahoo Finance. Then I'm going to use Pandas that will transform this data into a data frame. And then I'm going to use Matplotlib to plot this data into a chart. So I first start by defining main. Main is going to do a few basic things. It's going to get the tickers from the users, then get those tickers and prepare a data frame with it, calculate the relative performance, and then plot them on a chart for comparison. I will define all of those functions, each one. The first one is get tickers. This one will demand the tickers from users. I'd like them to give a number from 2 to 5 tickers because it's going to be better to put on the chart. So I made a loop here that will keep asking them until they give a number between 2 and 5. After that, I will verify if the ticker is duplicated or not. And if not, it will continue to return a list of tickers. The second function that I'm going to have to define is prepare the data frame, which will get this list that I created before and transform into a data frame and change the data on all the dates for the same format so it will be comparable. After that, I define a function to calculate the relative performance of the tickets by calculating based on the price. And then I will create another function to create the plot from this data frame that is already ready, create a plot and see the information on a chart so we can compare. So let's see if it's working. I'm going to hit play here. It asks me how many tickers I want. I'm going to put 2. Then I will choose Google and Microsoft. And there it is. So you can see better here. It's going to show me the performance of those 2 tickers from 2008 until now, which is 2023. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you.